Hey guys, another quick video. Sorry about the glare. It's kind of, I don't know. Another quick video about the mx100. It's this exact same. It's literally, I haven't touched it since the last video. I was gone for I'm just gonna say some family problems. On Tuesday, a lot of you probably know what it is, because most of my friends watch this. Probably know what it is already, but I'm just saying that for now. And yesterday, I had a lot of schoolwork to catch up with, from being gone on Tuesday, and yesterday they handed out a lot of work, so I still have a lot to do today. That's why this video is going to be nice and short, because I have to go inside and do some more work. It's almost the weekend, thank God. This week has gone by so slow. So, I just turned this light on. It's not that bright yet. Let's see if I can find my flashlight. Flashlight. Okay, where'd the good one? There's one. Aha, here's a good one. Yep, okay. So, I just took the motorized bike out for a little ride. The two-stroke. I'm trying to ride that as much as possible. So, I was looking at this under a little more detail, and I think I found the problem. I don't know what it is yet. I'll figure that out probably this weekend. But it's not supposed to be there, pretty sure. See that right there? Big shiny spot. I don't know if that's supposed to be there, but it does not look like any of the rest of the cylinder at all. Let's see if I can put that there and have this light just shining there. Okay, that's good enough. So this big shiny spot, you probably can't see it, but the other cylinder is very smooth. You can't really feel anything, but this is very rough, and it's actually taking off my fingernail. It like sands down my fingernail, so I don't know what that is. I really don't know what that is. But it doesn't look right. It looks like somebody tried to sand it down or something, and they shouldn't have. And let's go see if that was on that side of the piston. It's on the intake side. So if there's any scoring or damage on this side of the piston, which there definitely is some burning, and there's a little tiny bit of scoring, but it's not bad. There's a lot of dirt on this piston right now, so I gotta clean it off and then check it. I don't know what that is. If you guys do, leave it in the comments. I know a lot of you just kind of watch this channel for fun and education and so on, but I don't know what that is. I guarantee it's not supposed to be there, but maybe, I don't know. I've been researching basically every night on this bike and different parts and pieces of it, how it works, how the engine works. It's hard to find very hard to find information about this engine because how old it is. It's 83. By the way, 83 is going to be my motocross number. Not really motocross, just dirt bike number. It's going to be the number on that bike. Because it's not the year I got my first dirt bike, because I wasn't even alive in 83. Born in 04. It's the year of my first dirt bike. So, 83 Yamaha mx100. So, that's what the number on that's going to be. My graphics kit for that should be in no later than Sunday. It said Wednesday through Friday, but I don't know where it's coming from. Xinjiang, Ding Dong, China, I don't know. Maybe it's come from, a lot of the stuff I order comes from Colorado and California and places like that. I should start this up tomorrow or something. I haven't started in like a week. But those should be in probably later tonight, maybe tomorrow. I'll take all the plastics off except for the back fender and the front fender. I'll take them inside so they're nice and warm, and I can work with them when I get the graphics. I can go ahead and put them on without having to heat them up every 5 seconds and having the graphics peel back. So that's about it for this video. Like I said, I got to do some more work on this bike. Got to go in and do some homework and projects and yeah, a bunch of crap. So yeah, I got to clean this place up. Yeah, so I hope that I can either fix that on the cylinder, have it sent out for cheap for people to fix it. I really don't hope I have to order a new cylinder because Of course, you can't buy brand new ones or used, and you know, I just don't want to spend $300 on that. But like I said, might be the cost I have to do to restore this bike. I have it apart. I'm not taking that engine off. I'm not taking it off. Well, I may take it off, but I will not take it apart. I'm never going to take that apart. If I need something done with that, I'll just take it to the shop. I don't want to deal with it. I don't know how to take apart those gears, and I know the clutch, but I just can't do the gears, so I could, but I couldn't put it back together. So that's about it for this video. I don't really know what else to do besides research. So that's about it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video when I have something to do with this, and a pumpkin smashing video will be soon. So hope you all have a good day, and I will see you in the next video.